In this video, we will write a Python function that converts a given amount of pennies into the appropriate change. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to define a function, and I can call this makeChange, that takes in a given amount of pennies, we can just call these coins, and then returns the appropriate change. So first we need to start with the highest denomination, which are quarters. So I can say print, and then I need to divide my current amount of pennies by 25, because that is the value of a quarter. So I would say coins divided by 25. And then I can just say quarters. But this will cause a problem because this one division will give me coins divided by 25, and say, if that's anything over a multiple of 25, then it's going to have some kind of a remainder. And so to fix that, I can just simply add another backslash. And this is floor division in Python. And so that just gives back the whole number. So now that we have our quarters, I just need to simply update the coins variable accordingly. So I'm going to say coins percent equals 25. And what this does is this is mod, or a modulus in Python. And so this will give me back just the remainder of this division up here. And this is also the same thing as saying coins equals coins mod 25. So now I have my quarters. The next highest is dimes. So I can say print coins divide by 10, and then dimes, and then I'll update my coins variable again, percent equals 10, and then print coins divide 5 for the nickels, if I can spell it right, and then update the coins again. And lastly, I'm left with my pennies, so I can just say print coins, comma, pennies. So let's try running it. So I'll call the function makeChange. Let me pass in a number. Let me do 118. Sure. So let me try running it. And we get 4 quarters, 1 dimes, 1 nickels, and 3 pennies. Let's try a different number. Let's see. Let's try 74. Let's try running that. Get 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 0 nickels, and 4 pennies. Let me try one last number, 41. Let's try running it again, and we get 1 of each. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.